Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, 2D shapes rectangle, circle, pentagon, triangle, square, cloud. Kids, colors name orange color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color, pink color, light pink color and blue color. Shapes drawing kids. Green color, rectangle. Circle. Pentagon. Triangle, square, kids, last, cloud, kids, rectangle, purple color, circle, yellow color, orange color kids, pentagon, triangle kids, green color, blue color, square, pink color, cloud, rectangle, circle, pentagon, triangle, square, cloud. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.